Teachers Day 2024. Here are the key lessons from Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's wisdom for students. Delhi principals Pallavi Sharma and Charu Sharma to receive National Teachers Award 2024. Manav Jangid of St. Jude School selected for World Karate Championship 2024. Uttarakhand CM Dhami hails teachers as the true nation builders ahead of Teachers' Day. IIT Madras outperforms IIT Bombay in placement records of 2024. Bhopal students protest and vandalize school over harsh treatment by discipline in charge. 4 dead, dozens injured in Georgia high school shooting. 14-year-old suspect arrested.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: Teachers' Day, celebrated on 5th September, honors Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose legacy as a philosophy of educators continues to inspire. As India's first Vice President and second President, he championed education's transformative power, suggesting his birthday to be marked as Teachers' Day to recognize educators' crucial role. His teachings offers nurturing lessons for all the students. The first point: education as empowerment. The end product of education should be a free, creative man. Education equips individuals to overcome advertisers with creativity and resilience. Students should develop critical thinking and adaptability. Second point: original thought. True teachers help us think of ourselves. Education should inspire original thinking. Students should engage actively with their teachers. Knowledge and happiness. A life of glory and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science. Pursuing knowledge leads to personal and societal fulfillment. Students should actively seek knowledge. Human paradox. Man is a paradoxical being, the contestant of glory and scandal of the world. Humans possess both noble and flawed traits. Students should maintain open yet discerning interactions with each other. 2 Delhi principals, Pallavi Sharma of Mamta Modern Senior Secondary School and Charu Sharma of Dr. Rajendra Prasad Kendriya Vidyalaya, are set to be honored with National Teachers' Day Award 2024. The awards will be presented by President Draupadi Murmu on Teachers' Day at Vigyan Bhavan. The recognition highlights their exceptional contributions to education, chosen from 50 nominees across India through a rigorous selection process. Pallavi Sharma's innovative teaching methods and focus on integrating arts and sports, including her role as Khelo India Center, have been pivotal in her school's success. Charu Sharma, with 15 years of experience, has emphasized environmental sustainability and community outreach, transforming her school and supporting students through significant changes. Both principals expressed their pride in their achievements and gratitude for the support from their schools. Manav Jangid, a student from St. Jude School, has been chosen to represent India at the World Karate Championship 2024. This prestigious opportunity highlights his exceptional skills and dedication in karate. The championship will showcase Jangid's talent on a global stage, bringing pride to his school and the country. On the eve of Teachers' Day, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has praised teachers as true nation builders. In a heartfelt message, Dhami paid tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the former president and renowned educator, emphasizing that teachers significantly contribute to the nation building by shaping. Dhami paid tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the former president and renowned educator, emphasizing that teachers significantly contribute to the nation building by shaping students' character and guiding societal progress. He highlighted teachers' vital role in implementing state educational schemes and fostering respect for education. Dhami urged students to honor the Indian tradition of respecting teachers and to contribute to the national development by becoming responsible citizens. Teachers' Day, celebrated on 5th September, marks Dr. Radhakrishna's birth anniversary and recognizes the transformative impact of education and educators on society. The placement season for IIT Bombay and IIT Madras has revealed notable difference in outcomes. At IIT Bombay, the highest annual package was Rs 23.5 lakh, while the lowest stood at Rs 4 lakh. Although 75% of the students were placed through campus drives and 15% secured jobs independently. The second phase of the placement faced various delays. Notably, 558 offers exceeded to Rs 20 lakh and 230 offers ranged between 16.75 lakh and Rs 20 lakh. In contrast, IIT Madras reported a more impressive placement record as of May 2024, with 90% of BTech and dual degree graduates securing jobs. The median salary offered was 19.6 lakh with an average of Rs 22 lakh. IIT Madras placed 1,091 students across 256 companies, showcasing stronger demand for its graduates. Historical data shows IIT Bombay had higher graduate numbers and placement rates from 2020 to 2023, but IIT Madras consistently achieved higher maiden salaries and placement percentage in recent years. In Bhopal, students from Sarojini Naidu Government Girls Secondary School protested on Wednesday, accusing the school's discipline in charge, Varsha Jha, of harsh treatment. The students vandalized school property and blocked a nearby road, alleging that Jha, a retired army captain, punished them severely for being late and made them stand in the heat, causing some of the students to faint. Principal Malini Verma clarified that Jha, not a teacher but a retired military officer, was responsible for enforcing discipline. The protest led to police intervention and negotiations between students and school authorities. The issue was resolved when Jha was dismissed from her position. District Education Officer Narendra Kumar confirmed the removal of Jha and urged students to return to their classes. A school shooting at Apalgi High School in Winder, Georgia resulted in at least 4 fatalities and over a dozen injuries. The shooting occurred around 10:23 a.m., leading to an immediate response from the police and emergency services and a hard lockdown of the area. The suspect, a 14-year-old boy, has been taken to the custody. Though his connection to the school is unclear, injuries include both gunshot wounds and those from attempts to escape. Students were evacuated and assembled on the school's football field for safety. Local, state and federal authorities are investigating the incident. Governor Brian Kemp and President Joe Biden have both addressed the issue. The shooting highlights ongoing debates over gun control in the US, where such incidents have become disturbingly common. Thank you for watching. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.